Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you exactly how to use Uber Cash to pay for your rides. The process is quick, simple, and can be done right from your phone. To begin, open up the Uber app and make sure you are logged into your account. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the account icon. From there, navigate to the Wallet section. This is your payment hub. Here, you can add funds directly to your Uber Cash balance or set up a new payment method. Make sure you have enough Uber Cash loaded for your upcoming trip. Once your balance is ready, head back to the main screen. Enter your destination and choose the ride you want, just like you normally would. Before you confirm the ride, look at the payment options at the bottom of the screen. Tap on your current payment method and simply select Uber Cash to make it active. Confirm your ride and you are all set. Your fare will be deducted automatically from your Uber Cash balance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more tech guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.